guys, here we are, Dublin city centre. So this, by the way, here guys, I'm gonna show you after what you've seen on the bus. It's called the River Liffey. It's the main river that goes through Dublin, guys, you know. And actually, so, well, I'll show you in a minute. So now we're gonna be going on the main street, guys, you know. I need some myself, actually. That's an iconic building there. Has a Heineken sign. I see a few mad people around there today, by the way, guys. Super busy. So, look. Okay, guys. So this is O'Connell Street. Look, let's cross here. So yeah, guys. This is it here. O'Connell Street. We're going to walk up it a bit, guys. I'm going to tell you a little bit. So today, this episode, guys, I'm going to be around Dublin. Today, by the way, Dublin is super busy because there's like 50,000 Americans because there's an NFL game, Notre Dame v the Army. So, you know. And also, you see, this is summer in Ireland, guys. As you've seen on the bus, you get the 4 seasons. And look. This thing here, by the way, which looks like a big needle. This is called the Spire, guys. It's a big monument in the center, you know, and so I'm just going a little walk here, guys. We are, and you know, here's the Lewis as well. It's like your transportation method. It's like your tram, you know, so. Look at these little things here, look. For those of you. Guys, how are you, love? It's a story with you. So guys, yeah, for those of you who know, well, let me clean this. My Irish roots are from right here, Dublin City. Not the city centre, but the Santry, you know. It's beside the airport, so all my family are from, most of them. My auntie lives in Malahide, you know. So we're gonna go, guys, and I'm gonna show you now. This is one of the most historic buildings with the most history here in Ireland. There's a statue of Jim Larkin. So he's also was part of the Rising, I believe, you know, 1916. And in connection to that, guys, we have this beautiful building here, look. So this right here, guys, is the GPO, the General Post Office, you know, and I'm on a crossroad so you get a better view of it, look. There's the Spire, guys, and that's the GPO. Woohoo! So guys, a little bit of history about this thing, you know, this building. So this building is iconic because it was where the start, I believe, of the 1916 Rising, so where the Irish, you know, started the revolution to freedom towards the British rule, you know. So super nice building, guys. And also funny fact is that, okay, actually let me wait. Funny fact that here, guys, in the GPO you still have the bullet marks, you know. So I'm gonna show you, guys. I'm gonna show you the bullet marks when we go in. Super nice station, you know, as a, you know, family inheritance here in Ireland. I'm super proud about this, and to whoever, you know, give their lives in 1916. So fantastic, look. So here you start, look. Here's one. Here's another, guys. Look, all the. So cool, you know. Love it. Look, all the bullet holes there. Okay. Do now is I'm gonna actually walk in and show you guys around. Look. So look at this. The General Post Office, you see. Guys, so this is what you see when you come in. This is one of the most historic places of Ireland, Dublin. If you're ever in Dublin, you need to visit here, you know. As I said today, it's so busy, so many Americans over this. So look, in case you wanted, there's a museum as well. Okay guys, so in there you have it. Look, back then, you know, and there was this. Here you go guys, look at this. So there you go guys, look, there's a coffee place here as well. Let's have a little look, you know. Look, a few. Back in the day guys, you know. Plus, by the way, I have a long walk to do now, so I think we're gonna do. So you have a little coffee place here in case you want, you know. Look, it's beautiful. Look at this, guys, and on the other side, I can see from here the flags of the different regions of Ireland: Leinster, Munster, you know. So, guys, and anyways, I'm gonna walk back out. This is the GPO. So as you see, little gift shop, it's all your Americans. And here we go guys, back out we go. Fantastic guys, by the way, if you're already liking this, please like and subscribe guys, you know. It's all I seek ever from my content creation, just a like and subscribe. Then if you want to get more involved, you can get more involved. By the way also, you know what, we're going to stand right under and I'll show you exactly how, look, stand right under it guys. I have to see how exactly what height it was, but I'll see a few. So guys, and then we have the two streets here. I believe this was, I think this is Talbot Street, you know guys, and then Henry Street and Talbot Street guys. So yeah, this side goes towards the east of the city and this guy goes towards the west, but we are going north guys, you know. We are going north because we are reaching one of the reasons I came here today, you know. The only reason, actually not to show you guys, to visit Dublin, you know. So yeah, you see a lot of people drinking, and also there's been a lot of violence here in Dublin recently. A tourist assaulted in a coma, 3 other English tourists beat and robbed by 15 people. So, you know, supposedly there's a policing act going on, and I hope they do, you know, because it's a beautiful city. So, beautiful city, yeah, but obviously a bit of crime as it goes everywhere, you know. There's your police car, you know. So guys, yeah, this actually guys, I'm gonna show you. I used to be back in 2017 guys, manager of this one right here, look. So it's like it's your complete tourist shop, by the way guys. Look, as much as I love Ireland and Dublin, the songs that will play over the same playlist every hour, and I went crazy after, I think in 1 month working there. I was like, oh my god, we need to put another playlist there. Put on some salsa or something to change the vibe, you know, but no. So yeah guys, so this is O'Connell Street, possibly the most important street here in Dublin, you know. So I'm gonna cross it again here. So yeah guys, I've lived in a few places. I've lived in Dublin for a stretch. As you've seen, I'm from outside of Dublin though, Kinnegad, Westmeath, which is another county, you know. So it's different regions, yeah, but they all have both the same on and off, you know. So actually guys, for those of you who want to know, interesting fact, and this is why exactly I am half Italian Irish, you know. So wait, you're gonna laugh about this guys. You're getting a history not only of Ireland, of Dublin, but also of me, you know. So okay, this bus is wrecking the view though, eh? So this hotel right here guys, this hotel right here, it's called the Gresham now. It used to be called the Savoy. And this place right here, guys, if it wasn't for this place, it's where my parents met. My dad Italian, working in the... My battery went, so battery 1 gone, battery 2 I have. So this is the hotel here, guys. Right in O'Connell Street, where my parents met, you know. I'm sure he's had fun that night, guys. And thanks for that. I wouldn't be alive if not, but anyways, that's where they met. And yeah, here's some football fans, guys. But yeah, guys, so this is Dublin city centre. I used to live down here, by the way. Down here is like also, by the way, where the river was and where we got stopped off. On this side where I am now, this is the north of Dublin. I'm going to show you after again. And on the other side of the river is South Dublin, you know. So behind this hotel, there's this nice congregation of bars, and I had a few nights out there. I'm going to be recording all day like this. It's bringing me back memories. I haven't been here in over a year, so I'm so happy and I'm so proud. And Italian Irish, guys, in my blood, you know. How proud can I be? I'm absolutely proud. I love every one of my family members Irish and every one of my friends, guys. I love you, God. But yeah, now I'm going to stop recording so much because I need to keep the battery and the memory, guys. So I'm going to explain to you right up here what I'm going to do next, okay? Here, guys, another famous site here, Parnell Square, I believe. There we go. So guys, this is Parnell Square. Just trying to see what they are there, guys, but wouldn't surprise me if the Irish Republican Army. I thought I'd seen the flag, guys, you know. But for those of you who don't know, the Irish Republican Army is the army that was started to fight off, you know, the British invasion. So look at this for a beautiful place, guys. Look, you know, so beautiful. So yeah, that's why I do believe that, you know, these flags, you know. It is for the... How are you? Good. What's this, may I ask?
Commemoration we're having today for the hunger strike.
Hunger strike,
Yeah,
alright,
yeah.
Nice, yeah. So I'm doing just a video about Dublin today, you know, history
yeah,
and everywhere, so...
We'll be leaving out about 12:30 to march down to the GPO.
So 12:30, leaving it.
Leaving here to go down to the GPO, take a video of it.
I will actually, yeah. That's why I'm, you know, proud to be half Irish and yeah.
Lovely.
So I'll be supporting, okay, 12:30. Let's show up, guys.
Okay, good man.
Yeah.
Thanks.
There we go, guys, you see? So there's a march on, you know, in commemoration for the GPO, which we just been to, you know, so perfect, fantastic. Also, here's a nice little, what was the name of this church? Come on, guys, look. Okay, guys, so 12:30, that, I might join it, guys, you know, so that's a memory of the GPO, and I thought I seen Irish Republican Army flags. By the way, that's classified as, depending where or that, from some countries, a terrorist organization, you know, which it's not really. They fought for, yeah, the freedom and the rights of the Irish people, which is fantastic, guys, you know. So let's see the name of this thing here. Abbey Church, guys, that's the name of it. So I'm not going that march, actually, you know that? I think I will. 12:30, guys, let's do it. I just need to get the glass and heaven first, you know. Need to get food as well, guys, so let's go, let's get food. Okay, guys, so our breakfast is 3 sausage rolls for 1.50. Finally, it's 12 o'clock and I'm waiting for breakfast since 7, so enjoying this nice break. Thank you, yeah. You don't actually, no, I don't need actually ketchup. You have a small bit? Yeah. Oh, it's it. Perfect. Thanks. There you go, guys. Sausage rolls, 3 for 1.50 and a bit of ketchup. I'm gonna eat these, guys, and then we're gonna go to this parade, okay? Okay, guys, so these are just sausage rolls, guys, for those of you who've never seen them. Look, This is what I do go mad about. So I'm doing this right here like that. Look, oh, bit of ketchup. You know, bit of ketchup. We're gonna throw that in a second. And then, guys, look, there you go. Just sausage rolls, guys. Right into you, guys. Mwah. Okay, guys, so the sausage rolls are nice. So where we are now, guys, they are getting ready for the parade there, look. It's St. Margaret, you know? And this place where I'm now, this is here in Ireland, in Dublin. They call them the flats, you know? And it's, let's say, where the more working class people would have lived back in the day, and some still do to this day, you know? So some of these are very, let's say, tough people, you know, came from hard struggles and that. So as you know, that's what this, and I don't remember what it is. It's I think it's St. Margaret. You know? Up here, guys, look, you have people getting ready for the parade, which is look at this.